How acts of parliament are enforced. Understanding the journey from legislation to enforcement in the UK legal system. From royal assent to reality. Royal assent, Act of Parliament formally enacted into law. Implementation. Government departments issue guidelines and create regulations through statutory instruments. Enforcement. Agencies investigate violations, impose penalties, and ensure compliance. Legal action. Courts prosecute violators and impose appropriate penalties. Enforcement in action. Data Protection Act 2018. The Information Commissioner's Office, ICO, created detailed rules on data processing and privacy to implement the Act. Health and Safety Executive. The HSE enforces workplace safety laws through inspections and fines for businesses violating safety regulations. Common law versus statute law. Common law. Judge-made law developed through court decisions. Precedent influences future rulings on similar issues. Example, Donahue v. Stevenson, 1932, established the principle of negligence. Statute law. Law made by Parliament. Written statutes passed by elected representatives apply to the whole country. Example, Human Rights Act 1998 guarantees specific human rights for UK individuals. The court system. Supreme Court. Highest authority. High Court. Significant cases and appeals. Crown Court. Serious criminal offenses. Magistrates Court. Minor offenses and civil disputes. Judges and courts interpret and apply the law, ensuring enforcement is just and fair across criminal and civil matters. Law enforcement agencies. Police force. Investigate crimes, gather evidence, and arrest suspects breaking the law. Regulatory bodies. Specialized agencies like the Environment Agency enforce specific laws such as environmental regulations. Revenue and Customs. Enforce tax laws, duties, and border control. Can prosecute tax evasion cases. The rule of law. Everyone, including government officials and the monarchy, must follow the law. Laws are applied equally, and no one is above the law. Equal application. Laws apply to all citizens regardless of position or status. Government accountability. Even prime ministers must obey the law, as demonstrated during Boris Johnson's COVID-19 lockdown investigation. Parliamentary sovereignty. Supreme legislative power. Parliament has supreme power in making and changing laws. No other body, including courts or the monarch, can override Parliament's decisions. Example, the European Union Withdrawal Act 2018 asserted parliamentary sovereignty by ending the supremacy of EU law over UK law. Human rights protection. Freedom of speech. Protected under the Human Rights Act 1998. Right to fair trial. Guaranteed through ECHR incorporation. Protection from torture. Fundamental human rights safeguarded by law. The Human Rights Act 1998 incorporates the European Convention on Human Rights, giving individuals the right to challenge government actions that violate their rights. Key takeaways. Enforcement process. Acts of Parliament become law through royal assent and are enforced by government agencies, regulatory bodies, and courts. Dual legal system. UK law blends statute law, written by Parliament, and common law, developed through court decisions. Fair application. Judges, law enforcement, and regulatory bodies ensure laws are applied fairly and justly across all levels of society.